Hi, I'm James Vann. Welcome to this session of Vann Sheridan's Video Legal Pad. Today we're going to talk about designing payment options from your customer to try to improve your collections. So often we get phone calls from our clients that they say that their customers don't have the money to pay for the materials or services which they've already received. So the question is, what do you do? How do you resolve it? Looking for those options is something that we always try to do. One is obviously to find out what's going on in your customer's business. Do they have a cash flow? Do they have jobs coming in? What do they do with the materials or services that they originally got from you? Did they get paid for them? Are they still holding them? What's going on? That way it gives you a little bit more information. So number one is find out what's going on in their business. Number two, try to find out if they do have a cash flow, how quickly they can pay you back. Sometimes that means taking payments over a period of time. We would certainly suggest to you in a business setting, you want to make sure that's a little bit more narrow so that you don't have the risk of carrying that indebtedness too long. Depending upon your business and the financial strength of your business, certainly you can determine how long of a period you want to carry that accounts receivable. The other idea is once you come up with a payment plan with your client, with your customer, then we want to make sure we get it documented, that is in writing. And typically what a lot of people think of is taking a promissory note. Promissory notes are great, but it's just another promise to pay. You already had that in your original contract. So our thought is maybe you'd want to get a confession of judgment. And a confession of judgment, basically what we say is it puts the money where the mouth is. If your customer really is truly intent on paying you, you would have a written agreement within this confession of judgment, and it says we'll pay you back over a period of time. But if for some reason we do not pay you back, then you, the creditor, have a right to go file that with the clerk of superior court in your county. That's a legal document. We would suggest that you either call us or call another attorney to help you with that because those are documents that really do need to be drafted in a very specific way, but they're quite frankly very easy to do and a lot less expensive than suing your customer. The other thing to look for is, can you get some kind of collateral from your customer to secure that debt? That is to make sure that if for some reason they don't pay you, you have something that you can put your hands on, real property, personal property, some kind of, maybe even business equipment, something that you can put your hands on that you at least take if you needed to turn that into cash to then get your accounts receivable paid. Hopefully that's given you a couple of options to think about. If you have questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks so much.